We need to find the domain and range of this relation. So we have these ordered pairs 0, 4, 1, 3, 3, 7, and 5, 4. So with domain and range, domain is going to be the x values, and range is going to be the y values. Now, one way to keep this straight is it's in alphabetical order. D comes before R in the alphabet, X comes before Y. So D and X go together, R and Y go together. So when we're listing domain, we want to list from least to greatest. So for domain, we are going to have 0, 1, 3, and 5, all of the X values. So 0, 1, 3, and 5. You can do these around. Okay, range, I'll circle them, we'll have 4, 3, 7, and another 4. So do we need to list that 4 twice? No, we really don't. So we're just going to write 3 because again we want least to greatest, 4, and 7. We don't need to list that 4 twice. So in fact I'm going to write them this way so we can see. This makes it a little bit easier to see if it's a function. And so we'll have 4, I'll list them in this order, 3, and 7. So we know 0 goes to 4, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 7, and 5 goes to 4. So notice they're all unique values for domain, okay? Domain and range. They're all unique values, and so as long as all the domain are unique values, this would be a function. So in this case, this is a function. So let's say we had a relation that was this, 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4. So it'd be 0. Would this one be a function? Well, no, it would not, because we have one domain going to multiple values.